It's undescribable. You can't really explain it until you actually see it. Seeing a place you love and seeing most of it underwater. And it's not just water, it's dirty, brown, it smells. Every sanctuary, every classroom, every auditorium, every office, you could not escape it. It was everywhere.
We prepared as much as any synagogue, any organization could prepare, but no amount of preparation can prepare you for this level of damage. And just to go into every room and to see that level of ruin, it's like another knock you take.
So many lives are going to be affected financially, pictures that are destroyed. This isn't a couple days, let's fix up the synagogue. This is months, years of work.
When I took the job here, they say, you come here, we're the nicest people, and it's totally true. They want to help, and people come and say, we have gloves, we have shoes, and we have masks, and put us to work. But it's true, they say Texas strong, Houston strong, and I see that now. I believe it.
I know in the end, we're going to feel this sense of togetherness more than we've ever had before. We have to keep our eyes on that. In the long run, we're going to be okay, as difficult as the short run is.